In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to scan multiple documents into one PDF file on your Canon Pixma TS3700 series printer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. So guys, whether it be two documents or a double-sided document, to do this requires some manual work when you're scanning, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you're connected to your computer or phone via the Canon Print app, and you are connected to the Wi-Fi and you've fully set up your printer so you can use the scanner. If you haven't done that, guys, check out the link down below where I show you how to do those things. But let's assume that we have. I'm going to get my double-sided document here and we're going to begin scanning. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we have loaded our scanner properly. So you need to make sure that your document is face down on the glass, or the side that you want to scan first is face down on the scanner glass. And you need to place it in the top left corner here. As you can see, Canon have left a little arrow showing you where to go. And guys, the paper should be this way up. You can see by these notches here, this is the orientation that your paper should go. So once you've securely placed that, we're going to close the scanner lid and we're going to move over to our computer where I can show you how to do this. Okay guys, so once you have your document loaded, you want to go onto the Canon Print app on your Windows device. And guys, if you haven't set this up, once again, check out the link in the description where I show you how to do this. That did not mean to do that, but you want to go to the Canon Print app, which you should have installed already. So to scan multiple documents, you want to press the scan button and just start off with the first one. So we're doing a document, so we're just going to press we're just going to do 300 dpi because it doesn't really matter to me that much. But if you want a different resolution, change that and change the size of your scan if you are using a different size paper. So we're going to start by pressing scan. And then once that's done, I'm going to show you what to do. I'm just going to cut back to when the scan is done. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my scanned document here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to flip it over now. So we want to scan our second page. So let's just flip it over like this and make sure the orientation stays the same. And then we are going to start scanning again. So what's important here, guys, is that you select PDF as your format and you save all pages to a single file. Then you will have it all in one PDF document. Oops, sorry about that. And then what we can do is we just press next scan, and then it will scan the other side of the document. Now this is actually the wrong way around. So I'm going to press next scan and it will literally be the same as before. You're going to press scan again and it's going to pop up on the side here when that's done. So I'm going to come back when that's done. So guys, we've got the second page on our Canon Print app now. And if you need to do more, just press next scan again and do the same thing with your other page. But I'm done for now. So we're going to press save all pages and save multiple pages to a single file. So once you press save, guys, it's going to pop up with where you want to save it. So save it somewhere you know as a PDF, and I'm going to open it up and show you that it's worked. So here we go, guys. We have our document and it has both sides of the paper. But guys, that is it for today. That's how to do a double-sided scan on your Canon Pixma printer. If you found this video helpful, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, as that really would help us out. And if you have any questions, guys, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'd just love to help you guys out with your problems. So guys, if you are looking for any printer supplies, check out a link in the description as well for our sponsor. They are a global printer supply store. They do really, really good deals on everything, and you'd be helping out a small business. Don't buy everything off Amazon, guys. Jeff Bezos doesn't need any more money. But thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.